kill. And there you go. When you opt for an alternative to the usual, Simon and of course Mangi, chances are hindi na babantayan eh. So talagang kailangan sumubok na iba. Simon, this time is dug by Vivas. Sullivan goes back to Simon, and FU is right there with the block. Jose now setting up to the middle. A big shot by Cabanag is well read by Simon. Ball back to FU. Jose. Oh, nice trick play. Great coverage by Reyes though of NU. Simon.
Nice.
Again. Another rally. Oy! Ayan na si Jose. Nabasa ni Reyes. Cabanag through the block this time. Great effort by Jenny Reyes. Usually si Jose hindi yan napapahiya pag nag-trick shot eh.
That's right. But you know what? NU just showed us that they can really go toe-to-toe with FEU pagdating doon sa mga plays at pagdating sa depensahan.
Sabi ko sana pound for pound since we're talking about bigat. Kanina pa tayo eh. But yeah, you're right. You know, they can extend rallies.
Those are good plays coming from April Jose, huh?
Yung mga ganyan, kung kumorma ng kalaban, okay lang. At least you gave it a good fight.
That's right.
And you know, of course it's going to tire them a little bit because FEU just doesn't give up points like that. And look how much more they have to catch up. Score 3.4. But it's also good for NU's confidence to know that they can, you know, for certain rallies is really make FEU work also. Nepomuceno is at the serve. Maricar Nepomuceno. One of the taller ones, very efficient blocker. Maricar Nepomuceno. Oh, hinihingi. Simon. Talagang pinansalan niya eh, no? Bumagsak yung bola. Close-fisted na yata yun.
Simon finding an opening, a very slight opening in between the blocker and the antenna. Talagang eksakto yung bola sa lusot.
And just for the, pagka gumalaw yung antenna, Ian, ano bang, what is the call there?
Well, if it directly, the ball directly comes in contact with the antenna, that's a violation right there because the antenna is part of the outside area of the court. So, pag tumama doon, automatic yun, point for the opponent.
Even if it's actually parang it falls inside of the antenna, as long as the antenna moves, it's considered outside.
That's right.
All right, and the ball is dead on the side of FEU. That's a point for NU. We have a report from Joe De Leon.
Yes, Chicky. After that first set, Coach Ness addressed his team and said, we're making errors that we're not supposed to be making anymore at this point in the season. He said, we have to calm down, relax, and just take this game one possession at a time. And based on the score right now, it looks like they've responded well. Lastly, he told the team, especially the libero, and said, tawagin niyo kung sino ang bibigyan niyo ng bola, stressing the need for communication on the floor. Chicken, yeah?
All right. Thanks a lot, Joe. Dapat tinawag din yan si April. Binigyan niya naman. We're talking about that last service that was way too short. It hit one of the players of FEU.
That ball not going over. It just hit the tape of the net. And these are the errors that Coach Ness was talking about. These are the errors that they should not be committing at this stage of the season at this time.
Earlier, with a score of 13-4, we were talking about how difficult it will be for NU, but they're slowly but surely inching closer and closer to FEU here.
That's right, Simon now with a block on Vivas.
Nice offensive block there.
There you go.
Great timing. Great point.
Great coverage of that down-the-line area. Vivas also, likes to hit down the line. Good coverage by Simon.
Nice coverage there by Mangi. Mangi and Sipag, no? She's all over the place. Even for defense. Again, good coverage by NU. Mangi tries one more time. You know what she's trying to do? Iniiwasan niya yung block pero sumusobra eh.
Shadow mataas and no spin on the ball. I think it was even an underspin that she had. And that ball just sailed away.
Unfortunately for Mangi, she's not allowed to have an off day. I mean, they're going to keep her there. They're just going to, risk her sending the ball outside. But they're going to keep giving her the set.
And if it's not the set that she likes, if it's too far from the net or too close, medyo nakaabang na agad yung depensa ng FEU. This is long. Too much adrenaline in that serve.
And that gets us to our second technical timeout with FEU leading by 6. 16-10 is the count. Stay right there. We'll be back. Welcome back to the arena in San Juan. This is your Volleyball Sunday. This is a continuing coverage of 72nd season of women's volleyball, live and exclusive here on Studio 23, brought to you by ABS-CBN Sports. I'm Chikiro Puno with Ian Laurel. This is the second set between the FEU Lady Tamaraws and the NU Lady Bulldogs. Hirap talagang NU, no?
That's right. Lalo na pagka ganun, sabi ko kung dikit o malayo yung set kay Mangi, nakaabang na agad yung depensa ng FEU. And just like that, Mangi having no room to work with. Again, this ball close to the net. And she crosses over the line.
Tawagan.
Nagtinikling sa mid-court.
Wala, eagle eyes from our court officials here.
That's right. Second, referee Rolly Casillan making that call.
Nice receive there by Reyes. Reyes is doing her job. Ang dami niyang nakukuha ng mga trick plays ni Jose. Parang inaral yata ni Libero Jenny Reyes kung si April Jose. One more time on that last play. And that's a point for Tiangco at FEU. Timeout. NU.
Nanay, wala.
Hindi, set lang.
Pero, bawi tayo. Isa natin sa receive. Itong madaling yung set mo. Tandaanin mo lang. Ay, kung minamadali, diyan kailangan receive. Break, diskarte. Hindi ba lahat ng bagay? Napalo mo. Pwedeng ulog mo lang dito, pagpaka sa set. Wala nagtatapon. Nagtatapon tayo ng bola eh. Ha?
I remember at the top of the coverage I said I wouldn't want to be Cherry May Vivas because everybody, all eyes are always on her. But right now, I don't know if I want to be Brian Vito because he's stepping in for Coach Dante.
That's right. And you can see him really, he wants to do or tell a lot of things to the girls. Pero talagang with this lead and down by 9 here in the second set, nothing going right for you. It's so hard to verbalize all those thoughts, in a matter of 30 seconds. So, it's really up to these girls on the court. Sabi nga niya, habulin pa rin, That's the main thing, Try to get points kahit pa paano and try to trim down that lead. It starts from there.
A constant reminder to their setters, Olivia, to take her time with the sets and also for Mangi to be a little more discerning. Kasi sabi niya, hindi pwede pare-pareho yung bigay. We have a rally here. Great defense. Wala ka masabi sa depensa ng NU, ha? Ooh, Tagana's the classic save. Wow, Sai. Uy, pasok.
Pasok. That was it. That was
Solo block. All right. For NU, that was Michelle Bautista. This girl usually doesn't start either. The last game that they played against FEU,